What? So solving Rubik's Cube isn't cool anymore? What am I supposed to tell you then? There is still something. The last hope. Patterns.
Hi, I'm Andrew, the Epic Cuber, and welcome to my channel where I do Rubik's Cube related content. And if you found my new intros to be funny, definitely leave a comment below, and even consider subscribing. And anyways, let's get started. First of all, before we start learning all these patterns, it is really important for you to know what notation is. So I found this website over here, I'll put it in the description. And you can see that it tells you what notation is. And there's also this feature over here that, for example, you do not know how to do U because it might be confusing for you. And you can do U like this, you see? Also U prime, that's U prime, and U2. And you also have all of these other notation over here. And you can definitely use this. I went ahead and looked at dozens of patterns, and here are the top 10 patterns that I found. So the first one is called checkerboard, and you may have even made it by yourself. And how you do it is like this. And you can see there's a checkerboard on each side. The second one is called 4 spots. And you can see there are exactly 4 spots. And the third one is called stripes. And you can see there's a bunch of stripes on the cube right now. The fourth one is called Python. And you can see there's like snake-like figures. The fifth one is called cube in a cube, and this is how you do it. And the sixth one is called cube in a cube in a cube. And you can see that there's 3 layers. You can see there's a cube, and there's a cube, and there's a cube. The 7th pattern is called exchange peaks. And you can see there's kind of a peak, and there's a peak that are exchanged. And 8th pattern, it's called 4 twisted peaks. And you can see there are 4 peaks on the cube that are twisted. The 9th pattern is called Tetris. And you can see that there's almost like Tetris pieces And the 10th one is called glitch. And you can see that there are 3 pieces glitched on our cube. Hey, great job! You've learned some new patterns, and now you can be cool again. And if you want to learn more patterns, I already put the link of a pattern website in the description below. And anyways, this is the Epicuber. Bye!